Please tell me you got a video of that. Can you go back in the table now?
Go. Will you turn her around and make her go back? Put it back on, honey. Put it back on your head.
Put it on her head.
No, put it on your head. Go. Go, Brooklyn.
Oh my god, that dog has 3 legs. Did you see that?
Brooklyn, put it back on, honey. Hi, Ava. Put it back on your head. Go. Go.
Don't laugh, because when we laugh, she gets off.
Put it back on. Go. Put it back on and run. Put it back on.
All done? High five?
Yeah.